Dirk, has this one come down and just couldn't get enough clutch stops?
Yeah, it's almost been pretty consistent throughout the year. There might be one or two instances I remember that we didn't score enough down the stretch to win, but other than that, all the other losses, it's giving up too many points. I mean, we had over 116 again tonight, almost 30-point quarters across the board almost. It's tough. It puts a lot of pressure on the offense. They are a good offensive team. We know that. Green got hot, and he obviously got paid a lot of attention to Ginobili on Barcombe and pick and rolls. Duncan rolled the basket a couple of times. And if you guard that, then some of their shooters are open. So they are a tough team to guard. That's why they win all these games. Thought the zone actually was effective there for a while. Got a couple stops, goes back into it, got a couple runouts. But then they got some big rolls. I think Duncan had 2 layups, got fouled on one. And then he kicked out to Green in the corner for a big 3. So they finally figured it out and got some big basketball in the zone.
With their continuity and intelligence, does that kind of put even more pressure to not make mistakes against them?
Yeah, you can't really put yourself in a position to not get a shot up. Only had like 15 turnovers, but they were bad ones. They felt like a lot of extra shot looking at stuff left at the end. We only had 14, so they really more because the timely ones, they were bad ones. It's bad turnovers there. So yeah, it's another tough one to swallow. And now we obviously have a tough trip with 3 tough games. So yeah, this is it's a tough one. I mean, we lost 4 out of 6 now. I'm not even sure how much we lost. So it's a tough one. Hopefully be right back on this trip and go from there.
But their defense on the perimeter, I mean,